Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to see this very beautiful mat from the brand called Baby Hug. I have purchased this mat from firstcry.com and it came in very nice packaging, and delivery was done in 2 days, so it was quite quick. The playmat came in this bag, and I think this bag is very nice. Like if you want to go out somewhere like for picnic and you want to take this mat with you, you can easily carry it in the bag. As you can see in the video, the mat is very light in weight, which makes it easy to move from one place to another. Now let's open it and let's see the close view of it. So friends, this is how it looks, and it is quite big in the size. You can see it has covered almost entire floor area of my living room. So it is very nice because your baby will get enough space to move around on the mat, and if your baby is starting crawling, then investing in such mats will be a good option. Now if you can see, they have given this design all over the mat. So these are like 3D patterns on the mat, which will act as a grip for your baby. So if your baby is crawling or trying to stand up or trying to walk, he'll able to create a grip on the mat. He will not slip, and if by any chance if he falls on the mat, you can see the mat is quite thick and soft enough to save the baby from getting hurt. This mat has print on both the sides, and this print is not a random print. Like they have tried to make it as educational as they can for the kids. Like if your baby is quite a small, then he can actually look at all the pictures, cars and everything, aeroplanes, and he can actually try to learn those words. And if your baby is quite big enough, then you can see they have made these roads and traffic signals, petrol pump and whatnot. So you can so he can actually play on this road. He can make his car go on this road, and he can try to fuel his car. He may learn about the signal, red color, green color, yellow color. So learning point of view, it is very nice, and you can teach your children a lot of new things with it. Now this mat is waterproof, so you can see I'm pouring some water here, and I'll try to clean it, and I'll see if it is completely dry or not. After cleaning the water, I can see that the mat is completely dry and it is ready to use again. Not a single drop of water or any wetness on the mat. So for this, 100% marks for this mat. Now you can see they have given these folds to fold the mat when you are not using it, and here you can see my baby playing with this mat. You can see here it is so sturdy that it doesn't fall. Like until you touch it or you push it, it won't fall, it will stand like that. So that proves like it has made up with very good quality of material. And here you can see she plays with it very badly, and still the mat is working really fine for us. So you can surely buy it. Price is on little higher side, but seeing at the quality, it is worth it.